Krishna. I am Bhavani from Rishi's Aapki Rasoi. Today I am going to demonstrate a starter, and this inspiration is from an Italian dish which we used to taste in Olive Garden in the US, and this is called zucchini bite. But zucchini is not available in India, and that too in my town, so I have replaced it with pumpkin, red pumpkin. So this I have grated it like this, and I am going to do this zucchini bite in the typical Desi style. Desi style in the sense I'll be doing with dals to make it more nutritious. So today what I have done is I have taken chana dal, that is a besan dal, from 1 katori of this chana dal and 1 katori of both put together urad dal and moong dal. So both I have soaked it separately for 2 hours. Now I will be grinding it along with some 4 or 5 green chilies, then ginger and garlic. And you know, ginger and garlic, it does wonders to any of our dish. So since I am going to deep fry it, I always prefer to put this ginger and garlic, because it takes care of your gaseous problems. So now I will the side dish for this, that is the dip for this which I am going to prepare, is also purely Italian, and in this I am going to use mint leaves. Mint leaves I'll be doing saute, and then I'll be adding I'm making white sauce out of corn flour, and then flavoring it with mayonnaise sauce. Mayonnaise sauce is available in the market, and so with that I will be flavoring it. And then I will season this dip with chili flakes, red chili flakes. So this is the dish which I am going to prepare today. So I will get back to you once I finish the grinding part. So pumpkin bite is getting ready, and now I have ground the dals, but they have to be coarsely ground. Now I have ground along with that green chilies, adrak and lasan, that is the garlic. And now only I am going to add all masala, salt, everything now. So just you have to take care when I add the masalas and what all I am taking into consideration while adding the masalas. That is, first is salt as usual. Salt around 1 tablespoon because it is lot. And then I have to add black pepper powder, just 1 teaspoon, and red chili powder, this is also 1.5 teaspoon, and then I have to add a little bit of garam masala. Above all, to bind and to make it more crispy, I have to add rice flour. Rice flour around 1 big heaped tablespoon. And in any fried things we add rice flour for binding it. And now just 1 teaspoon of corn flour. Corn flour always gives crispiness to the fried bites. Now the next one is the breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs only just 1.5 teaspoon, just to give a crunchy taste, nothing else. Now I'll be mixing everything, and my oil is getting ready, and this I'll be frying in that paniyaram pan, because this will give you a good shape. So now I'm mixing all this masalas and grated pumpkin, everything. And then the oil is getting heated, and as I always told you, it should be medium hot. And in this case we have to mix it with the hand, because otherwise it won't be uniformly mixed. So we have to mix it with the hand, and then finally I always appreciate to add lot of green coriander. Coriander always adds to the taste. So that also I will add, which is finely chopped. I have kept it. It is nearly one cup. So this adds taste to this. So this is a zucchini bite, but in the Desi style. And I hope you all will try this and appreciate this, and subscribe my demonstration, and then get back to me. Now now the dough is ready. I have put this in this paniyaram style, and it will be of very odd shape but very crispy. So this, once it becomes slightly brown in color, I'll be removing it. So then the next step for me is, as usual, plating. And the thing which you can have it along with green chutney, but not coconut chutney, because I don't appreciate that. But you can add with green chutney, or the dip which I am going to show you now with mayonnaise. I am going to show you now what I am going to give you as a side dish for this. So this will be very crispy, and you can really try this. Now the side dish for this is, I am going to do mint mayonnaise dip. So now I have heated the pan and put little oil in that, and I'm going to just fry the mint leaves, which I have cut and washed and kept it. And this I am going to just a little saute I am going to do it, so that it adds flavor to the dish. And in this I am going to make the white sauce. And white sauce means, you all know that we mix water and corn flour. Now in this quantity I have added 2 tablespoons of corn flour in 2 cups of water. So this I will be adding and stirring continuously to avoid lumps. This is how we prepare this dip. And then finally I will be adding mayonnaise sauce. And then after removing from fire, I will be adding salt and chili flakes. This tastes very good for this bite. And a special, it is an Italian Italian side dish, which it tastes very good for any bite. That's why I preferred this today. Now this sauce and everything is over. I will be adding mayonnaise sauce now. I have put it off. I'll be adding this mayonnaise sauce today now for this and this. Around 1.5 tablespoons. I have to mix it very well. If you want, you can add a little warm water to this. If you don't want so thick and you want it lightly in the liquid form, you can add. But I have kept it thick. Okay. Now I'll be the next part of it, the final part of it is the plating. Pumpkin bite with mayonnaise mint dip. This I explained to you the process. This is very delicious and very crispy and crunchy, and I have explained to you the process. And this is also very nutritious, because I have added all the 3 dals, chana dal and moong dal and urad dal, and of course the proportions I showed you, and all these are being ground to a paste with grated pumpkins. And I have added the masalas, like all usual masalas like chili powder, garam masala, chili, salt and pepper powder, and then with lot of coriander. And then I have added to this is the rice flour and corn flour and breadcrumbs to make it crispier. Now then I fried it not in the regular pan, but in the other one which we normally use it for appam. In that I have fried, because the shape will be maintained to some extent. And then the side dish for this is the typical Italian dip. This is called mint mayonnaise dip. and the process also I showed you. And mint is always very good for health, and since I have presented a fried item, this dip will always help you in digestion. And so friends, if you have liked this recipe, please try and then enjoy it. If you like it, please subscribe and pass on your expert comments, which is very important to me. Thank you so much, and Jai Sai Ram.